O, pinacheck ko naman sa mga contacts ko yung location ni Evelyn Maga sa Bulacan. So, ang sabi nila, wala raw nakatira sa bahay ng pinuntahan nila. They say, bigla na lang daw nawala si Magas.
Baka nakatunog na yung Evelyn. Baka may tumitimbre sa kanya. May pumuprotekta. Hindi naman imposible yun, di ba, attorney? Eira.
And think about it. Lilette was found at the crime scene, holding that gavel replica. She was so bitter about being abandoned by Attorney Mayor. Tapos, hindi pa naging maganda yung trato sa kanya ng mama before. Haven't you ever thought? Maybe, she had something to do with Attorney Mayor's death.
Eira, may problema ba?
Huh? What? Huh? No. Nothing.
Mom!
Ino! Huwag kang nagugulat ng ganyan.
Mom, where have you been? Did you know you're over social media? Everyone is convinced you're involved in Attorney Mayor's murder.
Don't mind them. Itigil din niyang mga yan dahil wala naman silang mapapatunayan.
Mom, how can you be so sure? Nakausap mo na ba yung Evelyn Magas?